regularly man. Without me, you're not like everyone.
Hello Ami, hello YouTubers. My name is Nihaka and welcome to my channel. Today we are reacting to Friends. Actually, I make Friends video before also, but Big Hit actually blocked my video. I react to actually Friends. Jimin and V when they perform in Con Live. Actually, I react to that video, but Big Hit actually block it. I feel really sad and very angry. Like they that video is one of my most favorite video actually, and their like their couples type the women, it's really amazing. I really love both of them and the chemistry is amazing. The songs Friends is also amazing. Everything is amazing. So I thought I will give reaction again. So I hope you like my videos and please subscribe it and follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and please subscribe it for more videos so I can do a lots of fun with you guys, and if you want to tell me some like fun things, you can tell me, and so let's start. And I hope you all having some fun in COVID and be safe in COVID, guys. So let's start. I just wanna understand. Hello, my alien. Gonna mystery. Yeah. Something I wake up. Oh, once you got me on once again. Hey, genuinely, I just don't understand. Hey, genuinely, Johnny Baby on that. You what time baby on top. Man, the sun got a long in your night. Yeah. I just say to yourself, together. Tell me how you never know. I just gotta say it. History, yeah. Don't you think I look out? Aren't you glad you hadn't understand? Hey, I'm just so understand. Hey, actually, I really love it. Their dumplings see movement, actually the story of dumpling and their Pinky also, everything in. And if you see their interview, actually V tells actually that the 4 o'clock and Friends actually related to when they fight because of the dumpling movements incident actually, and so that's why we actually write 4 o'clock first and Friends actually. So Jimin knew that, oh, because of that incident we have 4 o'clock and friends, which I really love this really love it. Actually, I really love it. They were amazing, and all of them were looking amazing, and the lyrics and the thing, actually they really love it. Actually, it's amazing to like see what is the things and everything. So let's start. I just really love it. And in Concon, actually they said like we will don't fight anymore, right? And so Jimin said yes. I didn't like remember the thing actually in Korean what they said, but it was the meaning actually what they said. And really touch wood, actually they really the best 95 couple actually, and really amazing. They all, both of them, really sweet, handsome, mind-blowing, amazing actually, and I really love it. And as you know, we said that his mixtape is, he will release his mixtapes in the end of the year or the middle of the year. Actually it's middle to, it's actually kind of middle the year, but he was like he will release a mixtape actually, and we are really like looking forward to it. And their song is also coming on 21st August, guys. ARMY, and we all the ARMYs are really excited and very happy to and they are singing in English actually. It's really cool actually and amazing. So we will see, like it's really cool to see what their new song is coming, and I really love it, guys. This is amazing songs, and as I told you that their song is also coming. It's really cool. So thank you so much, guys, for watching my videos. I purple you. We all love you. 사랑해요. 안녕. Bye bye. Love you guys.
You like a lonely man without me.